Welcome to today's video. In case you are a die-hard Everquest fan and looking to induce your hands on uncommon things, you've come to the proper put. In today's video, I'll direct you through everything you would like to know around taking part in Everquest's sell-off framework and how to seize those epic things without investing hours cultivating. To begin with, let's conversation approximately the sell-off framework in Everquest. It's one of the coolest and most special highlights of the diversion, permitting you to purchase things that you just can't discover from NPCs. From effective weapons and uncommon adapt to extraordinary things, barters offer a treasure trove of plunder that's as it were accessible from other players. So how do you get begun with the barters? It's super straightforward. All you wish to do is head to the city zones in Everquest where sell-off NPCs or sell-off regions are set up. You'll be able to effectively get to the sell-off interface by writing the basic command /AUC. Here, you'll see a list of things up for deal, at the side their beginning costs. How do you discover the things you need to purchase? No stresses, the sell-off framework includes an incredible look highlight. You'll be able to look by thing title or category, and it'll channel out the comes about for you. But make beyond any doubt to check the thing portrayal since some of the time the costs could be tempting, but there may be certain subtle elements you wish to be careful for. Presently, let's get to the fun portion, how to offer it and win the things you need. Once you discover a thing you like, all you wish to do is offer it higher than the current cost. But here's a professional tip, continuously set a greatest cost you're willing to pay some time recently you begin offering. This will assist you maintain a strategic distance from incidentally overspending and guarantee you get the thing without breaking your bank. You unquestionably don't need to go over the edge along with your offers. And at last, once you win the sell-off, everything gets to be so fulfilling. You'll get your thing specifically into your stock, and the installment will be deducted from your account. Fair keep in mind, unloading isn't almost getting the loot, it's around the excite of winning and getting your hands on that uncommon thing you've been looking at. And that's it. Presently you know how to take an interest in Everquest's barters and get those astonishing things.